Casement window installation in Layton, Utah is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of casement windows, Layton styles available, residents can select from vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, and wooden casement windows to match their home's design. Layton casement window installation services ensure a seamless fit and finish, providing both functionality and beauty. Window replacement services in Layton, Utah offer a comprehensive solution for outdated or damaged windows. By choosing energy-efficient casement windows, homeowners can significantly reduce their energy bills while improving indoor comfort. Layton window replacement services include custom casement windows tailored to fit any architectural style, ensuring a perfect match for your home. Energy-efficient casement windows are a smart investment for Layton, Utah, residents looking to lower their energy consumption. These windows feature advanced insulation technology, such as double-glazed casement windows, which help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows in Layton not only save money, but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. Custom casement windows, Layton, Utah, provide homeowners with the flexibility to design windows that meet their specific needs and preferences. Whether you desire unique casement window dimensions or specific casement window features, custom windows Layton, Utah can accommodate your vision. These personalized solutions ensure that your windows complement your home's architecture and style. Casement window replacement services in Layton, Utah are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. From fixing casement window locks to replacing casement window hinges, Professional Window Replacement Layton, Utah ensures that your windows operate smoothly and securely. Regular maintenance can extend the lifespan of your windows and prevent costly replacements. Vinyl casement windows are a popular choice in Layton, Utah due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows offer excellent insulation properties, making them an energy-efficient option for homeowners. Vinyl windows Layton are available in various styles and colors, allowing you to customize your home's appearance while enjoying the benefits of modern window technology. Aluminum casement windows Layton, Utah provide a sleek and contemporary look for modern homes. Known for their strength and durability, aluminum windows Layton, Utah are resistant to corrosion and require minimal maintenance. These windows are ideal for homeowners seeking a long-lasting and stylish window solution. Wooden casement windows in Layton, Utah offer a classic and timeless appeal that enhances any home's charm. Wooden windows Layton provide excellent insulation and can be customized with various finishes and stains to match your interior decor. These windows are perfect for those who appreciate the natural beauty and warmth of wood. Double-glazed casement windows in Layton, Utah are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking superior insulation and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a sealed airspace in between, providing enhanced thermal performance. Double-glazed windows Layton help maintain a comfortable indoor environment while reducing energy costs.